I'm feeling very nervous. I haven't done anything like this before, so looking forward, but I'm a bit nervous about it.
Bach yn nerfus. Edrych ymlaen at y diwrnod, edrych ymlaen at 10 wsos nesaf. A jyst barod I weld be maen nhw'n mynd I daflu ato fi a pwy aeth allai wneud efo nhw.
Swn i'n dweud bod fi'n nervous, dwi'n reit excited really I gweld be mae y cwmni yma efo be maen nhw'n wneud a be fydda i'n wneud. So dwi'n teimlo bach yn rough bore yma, cos dwi wedi bod yn Paris am Ffrainc am 3 wsos dwytha a cyrraedd adra ddoe. So coffi'n ideal a wedyn gawn ni weld be fydda i'n wneud heddiw.
Bore gynta, dwi'n eich mlaen I gael mynd I fewn a cyfarfod drogion megni a jyst gweld beth sy'n ei wneud yn y 10 wsos nesaf. Dwi wedi dall rhyw fath o be maen nhw'n wneud yn barod a dwi'n eich mlaen I jyst cael tan arni braidd a jyst cwchyn gweithio.
Nice to meet you. I'm fine, thank you.
It's really nice to have Daniel here and because he's a local student it makes all the difference. He knows the area, he fits in well with what we do here and we would be looking for more students and more employees from the local area in the future. So hopefully everything will work out great with him. He'll enjoy it here and we're really excited to have him joining us.
Hi Dylan, croeso I DNH.
We're really looking forward to meeting Dylan and taking him on board. It's one of the issues since I've been involved here that we've challenged, if you like, the government and we've challenged local education authorities to make sure we have local people who are available because there's loads of opportunities and I'm really pleased that your team has stepped up and actually made this happen. They've listened and companies like ours are participating actively in giving these opportunities.
Iawn, diolch ie.
Wel, da ni'n edrych ymlaen iawn cael eben I helpu ni dros yr wythnosau nesaf. Wel, da ni wedi darllen fod eben mae'n studio physics yn Caerdydd. Dwi'n meddwl fydd o'n ffitio'n dda efo'r gwaith gennym ni yma.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, we've read his CV and he seems to fit in with what we do here, so that'll be great. He'll work throughout the company, so on all the different teams we've got. So he'll get used to, we've got a marketing department that he'll be working with. He'll be working with a development department, a testing team. So he'll get an all-round experience. I believe the M2M and Internet of Things side linked in with his university degree, so that should help him along his way.
Dwi erioed wedi weithio mewn office o blaen, actually, ond dwi'n edrych ymlaen I weld pa fath o brofiad fydd o. Ac dwi'n edrych ymlaen I weld be fydda i'n neud yma chi.
Na, dwi'n wedi gweithio mewn dim byd fel hyn o blaen. Mae'n bach yn od cael pawb yn yr un stafell, ond mae'n eitha da, dwi'n licio fo. A ti'n gallu siarad a gwrthrebu lot efo pawb, so mae'n handi I mi.
Hwn y tro cynta, felly eitha diddorol I weld sut mae'r system yn gweithio. Felly, mae yna jyst data sydd wedi dod o'r un mewn pai. A byddai'n gobeithio yn dysgu'n ddians be I wneud efo fo.
I'm quite sure about what some things they were talking about, but I got on with it. I think I did quite well, and I'm getting more comfortable with the workspace and the people I'm working with.